This instructional video will demonstrate how to add paper to the Kyocera M5526 printer. Pull the cassette tray out of the machine. The cassette is set for letter-size paper at the factory. If you're using legal, folio, or officio 2 paper, resize the cassette by pushing this lever forward to extend the cassette. Remove the paper from its packaging. Fan the paper to separate the sheets. Tap the paper stack on a flat surface to square up the pages. Load the paper by sliding the end of the paper stack toward the rear of the cassette. Push the front edge of the paper down into the cassette tray. Ensure that the paper is resting below these guides. Gently slide the tray all the way into the printer. If legal, folio, or officio 2 paper is used, the cassette will extend out from the machine. This printer can print onto a large variety of paper types, for example, plain and pre-printed paper. A full list of supported paper types and sizes can be found in the M5526cdw Operation Guide. To ensure that you get the highest quality of printing, it is important that the printer is configured for the type of paper you are using. The machine is set at the factory for standard plain paper. If you intend to use a different type of paper, you must set the paper type and/or size in the Paper Settings menu. On the panel, press the System menu counter key. Scroll through the list, locate Cassette MP Tray Settings. Press this button. On the screen, select Cassette 1. We'll now select paper size and media type. If the paper loaded in the cassette tray is a size other than letter, press on paper size, then press inch. Then select the paper size that you loaded into the tray. The screen will return to the paper size and media type screen. Now select media type, and on the next screen select the type of paper you loaded into the cassette. Press the System menu counter key. The MP or multi-purpose tray is located at the front of the printer. The MP tray allows your printer to use more paper types and more sizes than the cassette tray. For example, cardstock, envelopes, and labels. To open the MP tray, pull down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. You can adjust the paper size by sliding the paper width guides to the paper sizes inscribed in the tray. Insert the paper print slide up along the paper width guides until it stops. If the paper type is something other than plain paper, you must set the paper type in this menu. This will ensure the highest quality of prints. On the panel, press the System menu counter key. Scroll through the list. Locate and press on Cassette MP Tray Settings. Select Multipurpose Tray. If the paper loaded in the multipurpose tray is a size other than letter, press on paper size. Then press on inch, and then select paper size you loaded into the tray. The machine will return to the paper size and media type screen. Select media type, and on the next screen, select the type of paper you loaded into the machine. Press the System menu counter key to exit from the menu. The paper size and media type are now set for the multipurpose tray.